Welcome to Albertian News. This is Sanjana. On to the headlines. St. Albert College Autonomous Ernakulam celebrates Albertian Day on 15th November 2024. Dr. Steve Joss, second year of Medical and Psychiatric Social Work of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam, secured bronze medal in MG University Judo Championship 2024. Dheeraj Abdul Krishna from NCC Army Wing of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam has been selected for pre-RDC to be held at Group Headquarters, Calicut. Dr. Agustin KJ, HRE, Department of Malayalam, St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam, received the Archbishop Antipathy's Best Teacher Award. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam hosted Consumer Club and Haritha Kalalaya certificate distribution. The Department of Journalism of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam organized My Story Entrepreneurs Successful Story. The Department of Travel and Tourism and the Department of Business Administration and the Department of Retail Management of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam conducted resume writing training. The Department of Journalism of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam organized a videography workshop. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam celebrated Albertian Day on 15th November 2024. The poster launch and the theme song of the Albertian Expo was released during the program. Many games and programs were conducted for the teachers, staff, and the students of the college, such as Tambola, among other activities and cultural programs. The college alumni also participated in the celebrations. Reverend Father Dr. Anthony Toppel, Chairman and Manager of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam, Dr. Joseph Justin Ribello, Principal of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam, Sri T.J. Vinod MLA Ernakulam, Bernie Puthenvittal Music Director, Manu Jacob Councillor Ernakulam North, and Manu C. Matthew, President, Alumni Association President of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam, honored the program with their presence. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam congratulates Joseph Steve Joss for securing bronze medal. Joseph Steve Joss of second year of Medical and Psychiatric Social Work of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam secured bronze medal in MG University Judo Championship 2024. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam congratulates Dheeraj Abdul Krishna from NCC Army Wing. Dheeraj Abdul Krishna from NCC Army Wing 21 Kerala Battalion NCC 1 Alpha Company of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam has been selected for pre-RDC to be held at Group Headquarters, Calicut from 9th November 2024 to 18th November 2024. Dr. Agustin KJ, HRE, Department of Malayalam of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam received the Archbishop Antipathy Best Teacher Award. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam congratulates Dr. Agustin KJ for his honorable achievement. St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam hosted Consumer Club and Haritha Kalalaya certificate distribution. In association with the Departments of Economics, Commerce and NSS, Nature Club Green Initiative was held at Milano Hall on 11 November 2024 at 2 p.m. The chief guest of the event was Advocate G.R. Anil, Honorable Minister for Food and Civil Supplies, Consumer Affairs and Legal Metrology of Kerala. Dr. Rosalind Gonzaga, Dr. Francis M.C., Dr. Siju M. Berge served as faculty coordinators. The Department of Journalism organized a session on entrepreneurial success with Agent Park founders Amal Sabu and Arjun Reena. The Department of Journalism of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam organized an engaging section, My Story, which focused on entrepreneurial success with the founders of Eden Park Wedding, Amal Sabu and Arjun Reena. The event was held on 13th November 2024 from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. at Milano Hall. Assistant Professor Francis Ardish Albert served as a faculty coordinator for the event. Marshall Thomas and Tanya Justin were the student coordinators, and Assistant Professor Silda George and Assistant Professor Carol Xavier Fernandez were the heads in charge of organizing the event. The Departments of Travel and Tourism, Business Administration, and Retail Management of St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam conducted resume writing training on 12th November 2024 from 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. at Milano Hall. Mr. Ushan K, interview trainer, SEAL Academy Palakkad, was a key speaker. Ms. Subi Binu, Ms. Anjana P.S., and Ms. Arina Rina M.J. served as the faculty coordinators, and Karthik Shaji and Andrea Teresa were the student coordinators. The Department of Journalism, St. Albert's College Autonomous Ernakulam organized a videography workshop. The workshop was conducted by Jitin Das K, Assistant Professor of St. Gitt's Design School, Kottayam. The session was conducted at Bernard Hall on 16th November 2024. Mr. Hasanul Benna and Ms. Anju Sudhakaran served as the faculty coordinators, and Agansha Damodar and Arjun A were the student coordinators. Moving on to the news in detail. That's all for this week's Albertian News. Stay tuned for more updates.